Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is IT Smart, and I'm glad to have you all today. So today we're going to be looking at components of search strategy, a continuation of our previous video. In our previous video, we had looked at identification of key concepts and selection of key terms. Today we're having a continuation of the components. Today we're looking at Boolean operators, truncation and wildcards, and then phrase searching. So when we look at Boolean operators, what first comes into our mind? Boolean operators are like the use of and, or not to combine or exclude terms, refining or broadening your search. I know we have obviously come across the and, the or, the not whenever we are carrying out our research. So what do these do in our research? And narrows the search by including all specified items, because you can be like you're researching for childhood and childhood development, so it's going to bring only what you have your search is going to only bring childhood and childhood development, because you have specified those terms. What does or do? Or broadens the search to include all specified terms. Yes, you can be like childhood or childhood development, so you just broaden your research. It can bring all of them or even just one. Note, what does not do? Not exclude specified terms to avoid irrelevant results. Note, you can be like, I'm searching for childhood. I am not searching I'm searching for childhood, not childhood development. That is what note does. It excludes those terms to avoid irrelevant results. Take an example. Social media and mental health. It finds results containing both of these items, social media or social networking. It finds results with either. It can either find for us social media, or it's going to find social networking. Mental health, not depression. It's going to exclude depression because obviously you've included not in your research. Yeah, let's look at truncation and wildcards as a component of such strategy. The use of the two signs that we're having, then to include word variations or alternate spellings. Truncation retrieves different endings of a word, while wildcards address spelling variation. You can obviously see the examples that they have provided us with. A child, it finds child, children, or childhood. Then wildcards are usually used in the word itself, in the spelling, while the other truncations, they come at the end of every word. Yeah, let's look at another one. We can look at phrase searching. What does phrase searching do? It encloses terms in double quotation marks to search for exact phrases. This ensures that the words appear together in a specified order, preventing irrelevant results. For example, searching for climate change impact, it's going to find only results where these words occur together rather than scattered throughout the document. So if you put them in quotation marks, obviously your search is going to produce results where these words are revolving around. So yeah, that was it today. I hope you all have learned something well. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell not to miss out on any video. Till next time, bye.